Hello everyone, I just wanted to introduce you to our new platform which is Surgeons in 3D Printing. Now Surgeons in 3D Printing is an audio podcast where I interview guests which include surgeons, point of care centers and professionals. This idea of Surgeons in 3D Printing podcast was born to me during the time of the pandemic. I struggled throughout my PhD to know what printer to use, what software to use, how to start with 3D printing and how to carry on the research that I was doing. And so what I realized was that like me, there would be many more professionals who would be struggling, and so as to provide them a place wherein they can find solutions to their problems, especially getting in touch with doctors, with people, they would be knowing now that who are the people who are already working with this technology, and they can get a mentorship from these people. And that's where I feel that this is like a part of my research that I did to know that who are the people across the world working on 3D technology. And this is not only a platform for India, because I have people across the borders, and therefore I feel that now this is a global platform where we have people from different parts of the world, and so we can actually learn from each other and grow together as a community of surgeons. These amazing guests share their journey, and when you listen to their journey on the podcast, you will be able to realize what your framework should be to actually start with 3D printing in your practices or hospitals or wheresoever you are in the colleges. So I understood that yes, these people were doing it from a long period of time, and that's how we can start doing it in our practices. My mission with this platform is to spread 3D technology to benefit our patients. And in order to benefit our patients, we need to empower the professionals who are actually the caretakers for these patients. And that's where the platform comes into play. I'm so thankful to all the senior people and all these guests that I have in my podcast who willingly came over to converse with me on 3D printing and were ready to spread it across the nation and across the world. I would request you to subscribe the podcast, listen to the journey that these surgeons, these people have gone through. This is an amazing journey that they've been through, and there is so much to learn from them. We can actually squeeze their journey into a couple of months actually, and we can create a different world for ourselves. 3D printing as a technology not only benefits the surgeon but also benefits our patients. So I think as surgeons we always want patients to get the best possible care, but at the same time we have to find time for our own lives. And now 3D printing gives that time to our own lives and provides better care, rather the best care for our patients, because it is more planned, it's more personalized, and we need to give it more time for planning while reducing the time for the operation theatre. And that is why I would say go ahead with 3D printing. Go through that learning curve and deliver the best possible care, and the biggest technology is the way forward now. I really wish to see surgeons, especially from smaller cities, learning from my podcast, benefiting from my podcast, because that is what my ultimate aim is. I want this podcast to reach smaller cities in areas where it is not possible for people from bigger cities to go out and teach people, and I want this podcast to reach them through social media, through various portals, and so that when they hear the podcast, they actually get to know about 3D printing and they have that awareness of learning it. And once that comes to your mind, definitely everybody figures out a way for themselves. That's what my aim is with this podcast. Yeah, and I've launched season 1 at the moment. Season 1 is basically on maxillofacial surgery and dentistry. This is because 3D printing actually, when it started, it was taken up by the dentists in a big way. And so dentistry formed a very big market for 3D printing. And I feel that in India or a lot of small cities, 3D printing hasn't penetrated to the extent that it should have. And I think the reason to it is because we as surgeons, we as dentists, we as caretakers, as doctors have not been proactive in adopting the technology, and therefore it is high time to embrace the technology. So I would say to you, enjoy listening to the podcast. Let me know what do you want me to ask the guests, who are the guests you want me to interview, and what is it that you are really learning, and what is it that you want to learn. And so just have fun with the podcast and develop your skill on 3D printing tech. I wish you all the best in your journey of 3D printing. Thank you.